Hello musicians, welcome to another free daily ringtone from the Telltale Club. This is a mellow one, kind of grooving, but slow grooving, bit hip-hoppy kind of background. I quite like it. You can use this for anything you want. All of my ringtones are totally free, no copyright whatsoever, and I haven't used any of them in any of the Telltale Club tracks. So you will never come across any issues if you use them for your stuff. But these are great for resellers too, you know. You can start your own ringtone factory using all these. So my second one today, how lucky are we to have two in one day? So I hope you enjoy it. It's a hip-hop ringtone piano beat. That's the title that I've got in front of me. And as I say, do what you want, yours to use and abuse, etc.